Hello everyone, and today in this video we'll discuss hypothesis test. So what is hypothesis test? Let us suppose there is one friend of mine and his name is Lakshman. Okay, uh, I think I should make it bold as well. And his name is Lakshman. So now this Lakshman, my friend, he's saying that he's saying that he can hit six sixes in six balls. Okay, so this is the statement given by my friend Lakshman that he can hit six sixes in six balls. Now let us suppose I have three more friends. So okay, so there are three more friends of mine. Let us say their names are ABC and MNO and XYZ. So there are three more friends. So when Lakshman says that he can hit six sixes in six balls, so what ABC said? He said that, oh, great. Let us suppose MNO says, mm, not interested, and XYZ says, I don't believe you. Okay, so now what this ABC says, what ABC means. In the same way, what MNO means and what XYZ means. So when ABC says, oh, great, so it means that ABC is accepting. ABC is accepting what Lakshman has said. So ABC is, accepting that yes, he can hit six sixes in six balls. MNO, sorry, MNO says that he is not interested, so he is out of discussion. Okay, so he is out of discussion. Now, when XYZ says, I don't believe you, now what it means? It means he is challenging. It means he is challenging Lakshman. Okay. So now ABC, he is already accepting Lakshman's proposal. So uh, I'm not interested in this one. MNO is out of discussion. No. But what XYG is saying, he's saying that uh, I don't believe you. I don't know whether you can do it or not, but I don't believe that you can hit six sixes in six balls. Okay, so he is challenging. So I'm interested in this gentleman. Okay, so what happened actually? What happened actually here is that Laxman created, or better word would be proposed, hypothesis that I can hit sixes in six balls. Okay, and what XYZ is doing? XYZ wants to test him. Okay, so when someone has created or proposed a hypothesis and another one is trying to test it, then this is known as hypothesis test. Okay, so this is your hypothesis test. Getting the point? Because Lakshman has proposed a hypothesis and the another person is trying to test, challenging him. So this is hypothesis test. Now, for every test, we need a scale. Okay. Every test needs a scale. For example, if I say, that, let us suppose this line. Okay. I draw this line and I say that this line is 3 kilometers long. So I'm proposing a hypothesis. I'm saying that this line which I had drawn is 3 kilometers long. Now you have to prove me wrong. How you will do that? Okay. So you will say that your computer screen, it should be maximum of 14 inches or 18 inches dimension. So how this line within 14 or 18 inches, it can be 3 kilometers long? Okay, it can be your answer. So now what you are doing? You are using a scale. You are saying that, yes, sir, if I put 15 inches scale here, so this line, it won't be more than 10 centimeters. Okay, so you will say, no, sir, I'll put a scale and 15 centimeter scale. You will see this line is not around, it is 10 centimeter. So how it can be 3 kilometers long? So you proved me wrong. Getting it? You proved me wrong. I said this is 3 kilometers long and you proved me wrong. Why? And I'm also agreed that I was wrong. Why? Because you used a scale. Because you used a scale. Okay. So for every test, there's need a scale. Now, one more thing. One more thing, that with every test, there can be two conditions. Okay. So what can be those conditions? Either this test will disqualify or this test will qualify. Okay, so this test can be qualified or it can be disqualified. This is what maximum can happen with the test. Okay, so to find out whether the test is qualified or disqualified, okay, we need some parameter. Okay, we need some parameter that this test is qualified or not, or this is disqualified. So for that we need a what? We need a parameter to check test whether it is qualified or disqualified. Okay, so we need a parameter. So in statistics, that parameter is, what is that parameter? That parameter is p-value. Okay, that parameter is p-value. What is this p-value? P means P means probability. Okay, so this is your probability value. Now the question arises, what is probability? So I'll take hardly 1 minute to 1 or 2 minutes to discuss what is probability. Okay, although I know you might be knowing this. Okay, so probability is probability, or I'm just saying P. Okay, it is equals to number of just taking too much space. Okay, so it would be better if I type. So probability is number of successful events divided by total number of events. Okay, so it is number of successful events divided by total number of events. Now, for example, uh, let us suppose this is point A and this is point B. Okay, now if my target is that I should reach from point A to point B in 10 minutes. If I reach from point A, I will start, and if I reach point B within 10 minutes, so I am successful. But if I take more than 10 minutes, then it's a failure. Okay, so let us suppose I tried 10 times. Okay, and out of these 10 times, for example, 8 times I got success, and 2 times it was failure. Okay, so now what will be my probability? Okay, so in that case, my probability P will be equals to what? What will be my P? As I said you that uh, my total number of events, how many total times I tried? I tried 10 times. Okay, so it will be 10, and number of times I got success, 8. So this is my probability. 8 times I got success, 8 times I reached from point A to point B within 10 minutes, and 2 times it was failure, so I took more than 10 minutes. Okay, so this is my probability. But now what it means? P is equal to 8 by 10. What it means? See, this is not a ratio, okay? This is not a ratio. This is probability. What it means? It means it means that that if I will try 11th time, if I will try 11th time, then my probability of success will be equals to what? 80%. Isn't it? Are you getting my point? If I will give 11th attempt, so at that time, according to this data, due to this previous legacy data, okay, I can say if I'm going to try 11th time, I don't know what will happen, but according to the probability, because I've already done this 10 times, so and on the basis of that previous data, I can say that my probability of success is 80%. Okay, so let us suppose I gave my 11th time and it was a success. So now what my p-value will be? Now my p-value will become 9, okay, and 9 divided by what? This time it will be 11, isn't it? Because 11, now 11th time I already tried, okay, and I got success, so it will be 9. Okay, I got success, so that is why it is 9. Now what this p is equals to 9 by 11 means? It means that if I will try 12th time, then my probability of success is, okay, so we can divide 9 by 11. So this will be my probability of success. Are you getting this point? Now let us suppose if this time it was a failure, this time it was a failure. So now what my p will be? Now my p will be, it will remain 9 here, but at the denominator it will become 12, because I tried 12 times and 9 times I got success. So for 13th time, this will be my probability. Okay, so now this probability is clear. I hope it is this is clear. Okay, so uh, for the next event, I can see my previous data, and I'll divide total number of events. Sorry, I'll divide total successful events divided by the total number of events, and I'll get the probability. So this probability, this p value is working as a parameter over here. Okay, so this is my this p value. This is my parameter to test. Whenever we test a hypothesis, whether the test is qualified or disqualified. Okay, so how we will find out? We need a parameter, and that parameter is p value. Okay, I hope you're getting this.